What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Connor, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. September 4th, the Philadelphia Eagles will kick off the 2025 NFL season as the defending Super Bowl champs. They will raise a banner and we will celebrate Simone Staley's birthday early. But who will our Week 1 opponent be? Let's break it down and talk about it right now. What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, Mr. CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles. 122 days. 122 days away from kickoff of the 2025 NFL season, where your Philadelphia Eagles will be dropping banners, celebrating Simone Staley's birthday early, and kicking off the 2025 NFL season. I want to break down our home opponents, right? I want to break it down because we face our division, Giants, Commanders, little boys. We face the Lions, the Rams, the Bears, the Broncos, and the Raiders. Right now, we're going to talk about the Detroit Lions, and I'm a rock! I'm a rock. You son of a bitch. Out here begging, pleading to Mike North, the schedule makers, and anyone who would listen to face the Philadelphia Eagles Week 1. When the team that you should be focusing on is the team that whooped your ass, the Washington Commanders. That's the team that you should be focused on, but no, not Amara. No, not Amara. You want to focus on the champs. And why? Because you wanted to face us in the NFC Championship game. Well, we was there. All you had to do was meet us at the altar by beating the Commanders. And you failed. You failed. But let's say you get your wish. Let's say you get your wish and you face the Philadelphia Eagles Week 1. Banner night. Celebrating Simone Staley's birthday early. Let's say that happens. And you lose the Jalen freaking Hats and the Birds. Let's say that happens. Let's take a look at your opponents who could potentially be your Week 2 opponents. Let's take a look. Let's take a look right here. So, you could face the Chiefs. You could face the Bengals. You could face the Ravens. or the Rams, or the Commanders who whooped your ass. You could face the Bucks, or you could face anybody in your division. You could face any of those teams week 2 after losing to us, and and the Lions would be 0-2. 0-2. You face us week 1 and you lose. And then you got to deal with either the Rams, the Chiefs, the Bengals, the Ravens, the Commanders, the Bucks, or anybody in your division. I'm a rock. Ask yourself this, Amara. You think that's wise? Knowing that after you potentially face us, week 1, after you beg, plead, and cry to Mike North to beg to play us week 1, that it's wise that you could face the Rams, the Chiefs, the Bengals, the Ravens, the Commanders, the Bucks, and anybody in your division? If that ain't 0-2, I can't help you. I can't help you. But this is my advice to Amara and the Detroit Lions, Commanders, Sunday Night Football. Face the Washington Commanders Sunday Night Football, or even Monday Night Football. One of those two, week 1. That would be much better than facing us week 1. That would be better, Amara. Because you could face us week 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Because if you face us week 1, Amara, that's a loss. That's a loss. And then Rams, Commanders, Chiefs, Bengals, Ravens, Bucks, your division? I mean, look at this, man. Look at this, Amara. Look at that. Instead, you're focusing on us. When you had an opportunity to meet us at the altar, all you had to do was win. Beat the Bummanders. Win. And you failed. You failed, Amara. You failed. You lost. You took an L. You took an L, Amara. Let's break it down. Let's break it down, Amara. Right? Let's break this down. Because you need to see this, Amara. Right? Because you're so focused on us. You're so focused on us that you should be focused on the team that beat you. So let's break this down. Jane Daniels was 22 of 31, 299 passing yards, 2 touchdowns, no interceptions. Jared Goff, if y'all can hear me, 23 of 40 for 313 yards, 1 touchdown, 3 interceptions, and sack. Jamar Gibbs, 14 carries for 105 yards. Jameson Williams, 1 for 61. Let's look at you, Amara. Oh, you balled out. You balled out. 8 for 137. You balled out, Amara. Only for you to lose. Same for Gibbs. All y'all. Only for y'all to lose. Jared Goff had a fumble. Look at this. And look at this also. Amara. You scored 7, but then the Commanders scored 28 and 14. And y'all only scored 14, 7, 3, and 7. But yeah, let's focus on the Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles and not focus on the team that whooped our ass. Amara! Here's the thing, Amara. Just know, if Mike North and the schedule makers give you what you want and you face us week 1, you're going to lose. And then you got to deal with the Chiefs, the Bengals, the Ravens, the Commanders, the Rams, the Bucks, and your division. Is that what you want, Amara? Is that what you want? I don't think you do. I don't think you want that, Amara. So maybe, because you got a week. You got a week. It's Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday. You got 9 days. You got 9 days. The schedule will probably be handed to the Detroit Lions probably this week. Probably this week. So you got this week to beg, plead, and cry to Mike North and the schedule makers to give you the Commanders Sunday night or Monday night, week 1. Because if you guys face us week 1, if Mike North hands this schedule to Roger Goodell and he approves of it, and the week 1 opponent for the Philadelphia Eagles is y'all, the Detroit Lions will start 0-1. And then you might have to deal with the Chiefs, the Rams, the Commanders, the Cincinnati Bengals, the Ravens, the Bucks, and your division. Is that what you want, Amara? Is that what you want? Something to think about. Something to think about. Amara, you remember what I just said. You want to be 0-1? Go after the Commanders, not the Birds. Fly, Eagles, fly, and go B.O.B.S.